Hey there, I'm Joe Carter. If you've ever popped the hood and thought, where do I even start? You're in good company. Around here, we take the mystery out of car repair, one fix at a time. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to sharpen your skills, there's something here for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you're into learning without the headaches. All right, that's enough from me. Let's get into it.
Owner can retrofit the security system of his car, installing the device with his own hands or with the help of professionals. Types of immobilizers. According to the fundamental design features, such systems can be divided into the following types. Contact. For activation, deactivation, a special tag on the key or on a separate key fob must be brought close to the reader. This not only requires additional manipulations from the driver, which reduces the comfort of operation, but also allows hijackers to easily determine the location of the device. Arming in the first devices of this type took place by closing certain contacts with a secret key, which opened the vital circuits of the onboard network. There were variations in which locking deactivation required entering a certain numerical code or pressing a secret button installed in a hidden place near the driver. Contactless devices or transponder technology, transmitter plus responder. The basis of such immobilizers is an electronic chip with permanent memory. The systems, in turn, divided into two types. 1. Large radius of action. Such a device works on the principle of electrical interaction. 2. Small radius of action. It is based on the principle of magnetic interaction. Signal transmission occurs at frequencies close to 125 kHz. This device does not require a separate power source, so the signal coverage radius is very small, about 1 to 14 centimeters. Cryptotransponder. The code in this type of execution is written in hexadecimal notation and consists of 32 characters. The trick of the system is that the code for recognizing the own key is constantly modified. The first immobilizers had a permanent code, which made the work of car thieves much easier. Modern complex algorithm of crypto defense modification requires from robbers much more skills and more expensive equipment. The tag, that is, the key fob, must be in the line of sight of the device. The tag generates its own code. It provokes the reader to generate a random number. Coincidence of codes leads to deactivation of the security system. Ways of immobilizing the TS to the isolated type can be attributed a submersible immobilizer, which is located in the tank and, if necessary, blocks the operation of the gasoline pump. But the activation scheme is not fundamentally affected by this. Now let us consider how the immobilizer interferes with the operation of the vehicle. Contact action method. Such a device involves mechanical action on certain electrical circuits of the car. In the car is installed an ordinary relay, or similar in principle of action mechanism, which, when signaled, opens certain circuits. The control unit of the security system is included in the onboard network through the usual wiring. Another type of wired connection involves signal transmission through the transmission of coded signals over single wire lines, digital bus. Non-contact method. The circuit of the electrical network includes a breaker which is remotely connected to the immobilizer. Structurally, the interrupter resembles a relay, which has a built-in decoder. The control unit of the security system generates a signal through the network of the car, which is decrypted into the breaker. Thus, the latter will receive a signal to arm or disarm the car. The peculiarity of such a device is that there can be many breakers installed in the car. Immobilizer control unit is indifferent to the fact of location and number. A trick for car thieves. The possibility of software configuration of the electronic guard allows the car thief to start the engine and cover some distance, usually a couple of 100 meters. After that, the security system will block further possibility for movement. Now the hijacker, who has already managed to leave the place where the car is parked, is most likely immobilized on a busy lane. He is now in an unfavorable situation for himself. Attracting the attention of others by trying to deactivate the system is frankly a risky endeavor. Immobilizer device. Now we can easily unify the circuit diagram of the work of the electronic guard of most modern cars. We have the following components. Reader reads the code of the key. The latter can be an ordinary key with a chip inside, or a keyless access system, on the photo. Immobilizer unit, which receives the code from the reader and stores the memory of its keys. If the approval of the unit has been received, the signal is transmitted via a digital bus to the electronic control unit, ECU. The layout of components depends on the specific car brand. For example, in many Toyota the electronic guard unit and reader are connected in a common housing. In Mazda, the code reader can be built into the ECU. To find out how the immobilizer works in your car, consult your owner's manual. Vulnerable places of the immobilizer. Understanding fundamentally the device, we can easily identify the shortcomings of the system. Diagnostic connector, which is usually located in an easily accessible place. Through it you can prescribe another key. Put the control unit in emergency mode. In it, the immobilizer will not be interrogated, to transfer the device itself into emergency mode, as well as to read out the CAN bus prescribed keys for emulation. In the socket can be connected, called in the jargon of hijackers, zavodka, which can bypass the standard system, and for 30s. Opposite the key. By replacing the ECU and immobilizer unit, the thief will have full access to the car. Retransmission of your key code or theft of your key. Hidden dangers of the immobilizer after service at a service station, whose employees you are not sure about the integrity of. Check the number of prescribed keys. Fraudsters, cooperating with the service station or certain craftsmen, can easily sew an additional key. After that your car becomes an easy prey for intruders. In conclusion, understanding how a car immobilizer works is essential for every vehicle owner concerned about theft prevention. This sophisticated system, designed to enhance your car's security, operates by preventing the engine from starting without the correct key or fob. By utilizing advanced technology, such as transponder chips and electronic control units, immobilizers effectively deter unauthorized access and protect your investment. As we've explored, these systems are a crucial line of defense against vehicle theft, ensuring that your car remains safe and secure. Investing in a reliable immobilizer can provide peace of mind, knowing that your vehicle is well protected.